Hi everyone, and welcome back to what is probably going to be the last video on the MGB. I've got a speedo cable that I've got to put on it, and I've got to put the wheels that I cleaned up and painted up, put them back on it. Then we're going to take it for a drive, and then my mate's going to come and pick it up in the next couple of days. So yeah, unfortunately I'm going to be on to the minis, or fortunately if you're into minis. But yeah, so the speedo cable, you're probably not really going to be able to see, but I've already unattached it under the dash. You can get your hand up behind it anyway and unscrew off of the back of the speedo, and then I've got to crawl under here because I believe that there's a bracket in the gearbox. See, it's all too dark. Right, I'm not going to film any of that because you're not going to be able to see a thing. But yeah, so I'm going to get that put on, and then I'll put the wheels on, and then we're going to go for a drive. Look at that. run. Possibly a last test run as well. Depends whether I have to do anything. Seems pretty good, seems to pull alright. It move the steering wheel around a bit. We'll try and get on a bit of road in a minute and see whether the overdrive works. So far so good. Water temperature's alright, all pressure's all good. Speedo working, whether it's at the right speed or not, who knows, but not holding back or anything though. So he must have the timing about right as well. Good, eh? Bit wider this bit of road up here, so I'll get it in third and then I'll hit the overdrive and see if it kicks in. Or we won't because the traffic lights are red. Tailgate shut properly. The bump and about I could hit is the tailgate is not shut, and that doesn't want to shut, so go back, get this straightened up, and then we'll see why the tailgate won't shut. up a bit and then come in straight so I can straighten that steering wheel up. I had the handbrake on then, didn't I? It brakes all feel good too, so it's all good. Right, I'll sort of then cut the bits out and then I'll go for another ride. Right, round 2. I won't film all of this, but I've sorted out the tailgate. The bottom catch wasn't quite hooked in properly. Let's see if the steering wheel's straight now. Should be. Yeah, that's better. You can tell that's better already. Taking over a bit fast though. Just turn that down a little bit. Going to be about it for this. I was just going to go over the jet wash, which is literally over the road, but it's shut, so my mate can come and when he gets it he can wash it around his house anyway. He's not going to be bothered with that. So yeah, it's all good, it's done. So just have one final little walk round to end the journey on this MGB, this 1970 MGB. It's had a few ups and downs, but overall it hasn't been a bad project to do. So I hope you continue watching as I start doing the minis. Right, so thanks for watching, and I will see you next time with a mini.